एवरीवन, दिस इज अर्श गोयल। तो आज की वीडियो बहुत ही ज्यादा स्पेशल होने वाली है बिकॉज आई हैव गॉट सम अमेजिंग कंपनीज जो कि हैकाथॉन्स के थ्रू आपको प्लेसमेंट एंड इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी देती है। लाइक इफ यू आर इन योर फाइनल ईयर या अगर आप प्री फाइनल ईयर में हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि यार आपको एक अच्छी इंटर्नशिप मिल जाए, एक अच्छी प्लेसमेंट मिल जाए। तो बट द बिगेस्ट थिंग इज दैट डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड एल्गोरिथम्स कितना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि इवन इफ यू आर पार्टिसिपेटिंग थ्रू हैकाथॉन्स, क्या आपको डीएससी की जरूरत पड़ती है? बिकॉज डीएससी इज द बिगेस्ट नाइटमेयर एंड इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन अ कंपनीज रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस। तो दिस इज बेसिकली द एजेंडा ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो। आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट 10 मेजर कंपनीज जो रिक्रूट करेंगी आने वाले मंथ्स में हैकाथॉन्स के थ्रू एज पर दे हैव डन इन द लास्ट ईयर। We'll discuss कि यार इन हैकाथॉन्स में क्या क्या राउंड्स होते हैं एंड व्हाट इज द एक्सपेक्टेड टाइमलाइन, मतलब कौन कौन सी मंथ्स में, कौन कौन सी डेट्स में ये वाली कंपनीज अपनी हैकाथॉन्स कंडक्ट करवाती हैं एंड उसके थ्रू रिक्रूट करती हैं। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट विल आल्सो डिस्कस कि यार मतलब कुछ हैकाथॉन्स में प्राइस मनी होती है, कुछ हैकाथॉन्स में पीपीओ पीपीआई अपॉर्चुनिटीज होती हैं। हम एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया भी डिस्कस करेंगे, यार फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट्स एलिजिबल है या प्री फाइनल ईयर एलिजिबल है एंड कौन कौन से रोल्स के लिए ये कंपनीज अवेलेबल है। तो आज की वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं बहुत ही अमेजिंग कंपनीज जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, एक्सपीडिया ग्रुप, जेपी मॉर्गन एंड चेज, मिंत्रा। तो ये कंपनीज अपनी हैकाथॉन्स करवाती हैं एंड उनके थ्रू कैसे रिक्रूटमेंट करती हैं। तो stay tuned with me till the end of this video. You will get to know a lot of things about hackathons and कौन-कौन सी कंपनीज की हैकाथॉन्स आने वाले महीनों में एक्सपेक्टेड हैं। एंड इसके अलावा आई विल बी ब्रिंगिंग अप अ नेक्स्ट वीडियो जिसमें विल बी डिस्कसिंग अबाउट इंडिया के काफी अच्छे स्टार्टअप्स जो कि यूनिकॉर्न स्टार्टअप्स बन चुके हैं या बहुत अच्छी फंडिंग मिली एंड हाउ दे आर रिक्रूटिंग, उनका रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस क्या है। जैसे ग्रो हो गया, शेयर चैट हो गया, गपशप हो गया। तो ये वाले जो स्टार्टअप्स हैं, हाउ मच दे पे, मतलब दे आल्सो पे क्लोज टू 30 लाख 40 लाख, जितना कि एक बहुत अच्छी टेक फर्म पे करती है उतना ही ये स्टार्टअप्स पे करते हैं। तो इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग कि यार कैसे इन स्टार्टअप्स में हम जा सकते हैं। तो स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी टिल the end of this video and do wait for the next video that is coming really soon. But before that यार, if you are watching this video till now तो please go and press the like button। इस वीडियो का लाइक टारगेट हम रखते हैं 500 लाइक्स, तो आई होप तुम लोग 500 लाइक्स तो करवा ही दोगे। एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में हम और भी अमेजिंग कंटेंट लाने वाले हैं, तो प्लीज गो एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड देखते हैं कि यार आज की वीडियो से आपको कितनी नॉलेज मिलती है। डू लेट मी नो इन द फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन कि क्या कुछ और चाहिए आपको कंटेंट में। So let's begin with today's video.
So the first company that we'll be going to talk about today is Myntra. So Myntra offers a CTC of 24 lakhs per annum. Along with that, they have this hackathon named as HackerRamp. It is conducted in the month of September every year and eligibility is pre-final year and final year. It is conducted on the platform known as Dare to Compete. And what is the criteria of this hackathon is, like there is an idea submission. After that, you will be shortlisted and project presentation will be there. Then you will be given PPO and PPA opportunities at Myntra along with certain cash prizes. The next opportunity is also at Myntra, but this is particularly for the diversity hiring program of Myntra, where it is also like kind of hackathon that Myntra conducts, but it's particularly for females, and it is like the eligibility is similar. Everything is similar to HackerRamp that was conducted in September, but this is conducted in March, particularly for diversity hiring. In this also, idea submission is there, shortlisting and project presentation, and PPO and PPA opportunities for Myntra are there. The second opportunity we'll be discussing about today is JP Morgan and Chase. So JP Morgan Chase conducts its hackathon known as Code for Good, and it's very famous that people know that Code for Good is one of the means of getting into JPMC. It offers a CTC of 15 lakhs per annum to a software engineer, and this is conducted mainly in the month of Feb to March. I have one complete video where I've discussed about JP Morgan and Chase Code for Good. Like we have to completely describe what are the different stages, how to ace through this challenge, and how to participate. So you can go through that video. I'll give the link in the I button. Next, talking about the eligibility, pre-final year and final year are eligible. First they are conducting an online coding test. It's a very simple test. After that, you'll be having one HR type round, like it's an automated interview through HirePro, and then you will be shortlisted for finals. Then you'll be again given PPO and PPA opportunities at JPMC after the 3 days hackathon that you will be going through. The next company that we'll be talking about today is American Express. So American Express also conducts its hackathon known as Code Street. I was a part of Code Street last year. It is conducted in the month of August every year, and round 1 is there on Hacker. The CTC that American Express offers is 13 to 14 lakhs. Eligibility is all years eligible, and what you need to do is you need to submit an idea PPT of around 3 pages. Then you will be shortlisted. After shortlisting, there will be semi-finals and finals. Semi-finals will be certain mentoring rounds, and finals will be final evaluation by the leadership team of American Express. You will be given PPO and PPA opportunities at American Express along with cash prizes and Amazon vouchers. There are certain other events like virtual booths, quizzes, coding competitions along with this event. Also, this can prove to be one of the means of getting into American Express. तो फोर्थ कंपनी जो आज की हम बात करने वाले हैं दैट इज एक्सपीडिया ग्रुप. सो एक्सपीडिया ग्रुप offers a CTC of 12 to 13 lakhs per annum and it conducts a hackathon known as Travel Transforms of the World. It is conducted in the month of February and March every year on interview bid and the eligibility for this is pre-final year and final year students. Along with that, the pattern of this particular competition is there will be an online coding test. Then there will be an ideation and presentation. Along with that, you'll be getting PPO and PPA opportunities at Expedia. There are also prizes in the form of travel vouchers of Expedia you will be getting if you ace through this particular challenge. The fifth opportunity that I'm going to discuss for today is by Walmart. So Walmart also conducts its hackathon known as Walmart Spark Plug. It's conducted in the month of April every year, but this year they didn't conduct Spark Plug, but else they conducted a diversity hiring event known as Coders in the month of June. So this is basically eligible for final year students and there are different the different rounds of this hackathon are. First is an ideation phase. Themes of ideation are related to mainly retail market and there will be shortlisting and presentation. You'll be getting PP and PP opportunities at Walmart along with certain cash prizes. It has a CTC of 26 lakhs per annum. The next company I'm talking about today is Philips. So Philips also conducts its hackathon known as Code to Care Challenge. They conducted this in the month of November last year and it was basically based upon healthcare. The theme was healthcare. Eligibility was pre-final year and final year students. You need to present your ideas, then there's shortlisting, then you will need to present in front of the leadership, then PPO and PPA opportunities will be given as prizes. Along with that, you'll be given certain cash prizes. The next opportunity is by Optum. So Optum, that is United Health Groups. It also conducts its hackathon known as Straightathon. The CTC of Optum is 13.17 lakhs per annum. The timeline that through which it conducts is it opens this hackathon in the month of November on Dare to Compete. Eligibility is pre-final year and final year students and different phases of this hackathon are there will be an ideation phase. Basically, you need to have some idea based upon healthcare. Then there will be shortlisting and presentation. Again, you will be given PPA and PPA opportunities at Optum. Eighth opportunity for the day is by Uber. So Uber also conducted hackathon known as HackTag. It was conducted this year in the month of March on Dare to Compete. Eligibility was pre-final year and final year students. There was an online test. After clearing that online test, it was a shortlisting test conducted on Code Signal. There is a shortlisting and idea presentation once again. Again, you will be given PPA and PPA opportunities at Uber along with certain cash prizes. And the CTC of Uber is close to 35 lakhs per annum. Next company is Oyo. Oyo Rooms you all might have heard of. The CTC that Oyo offers is 12 lakhs per annum. And the timeline that this event known as Oyo the Catalyst is conducted in the month of November or December on Dare to Compete. Last year it wasn't conducted maybe due to pandemic. Oyo was in loss. Oyo made some cuts on the employee base as well. So that's why maybe they didn't conduct, but can be conducted this year. Eligibility is pre-final year and final year students. There have been ideation round, shortlisting and idea presentation. And then you'll be given PPO and PPA opportunities at Oyo Rooms along with certain cash prizes. The last opportunity for the day is by Microsoft. So Microsoft is conducting this hackathon known as Fixathon where they hire CE and S engineer roles. CE and S means customer engineer and support role. So basically for support roles, this hackathon is conducted on the platform known as Ace Hacker. It's for final year students. The process is there will be a video round. You need to shoot your video and submit it to them and fill the application form. Then there will be series of webinar and break fix challenge, different challenges. It's kind of hackathon. And after that, you'll be getting an internship at Microsoft for this particular support role. I hope this was clear and I'll be bringing up more companies in the next video, part 2 of this video. I hope you will stay till there. Thank you so much and do subscribe this channel for more updates.
यार थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप ये वीडियो बहुत ही पसंद आई होगी एंड यू माइट हैव गॉट टू नो अबाउट लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज की यार वो कैसे रिक्रूट करती हैं, कैसे हैकाथॉन्स होती हैं, उनकी कौन कौन से मंथ्स में आने वाली है हैकाथॉन्स एंड हाउ यू कैन प्रिपेयर बेटर फॉर दोज हैकाथॉन्स प्रायरली. तो यार ये वाली वीडियो बहुत इंसाइटफुल थी एंड इसके आगे आने वाली वीडियो भी बहुत मजेदार होने वाली है. तो स्टे ट्यून्ड विद मी टिल दैट एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन इफ यू हैव एनी फीडबैक्स. तो मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में बहुत ही जल्द. टिल देन कीप शेयरिंग, कीप लाइकिंग, कीप सब्सक्राइबिंग एंड गुड लक. ऑल द बेस्ट. बाय बाय.